Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix this connection is not private error on iOS. So let's begin. So here we are, and the first thing that we need to do to solve this problem is we need to clear the browser data cache. So to do that, we need to go into our settings. And once you're here in your settings, you want to scroll all the way down until you see Safari, and here it is right here. So once you've found it, you want to go there. And then from here, what you want to do is you simply need to go down until you see clear history and website data. And you want to tap on it. And then from here, you want to make sure that you check on all history. In this way, you will be able to make sure that you are deleting all of the data and you will have a clean slate. So once you have done this, then you want to tap on clear history, but in my case I will not be doing this because my Safari is fine, but in your case you should probably do it. And now once you have successfully cleared the data on your Safari, then the next thing that we need to do is go and set the date and time correctly. So if that didn't solve your problem, the first step, then we can proceed with setting the date and time correctly. So go here in the settings and go into the search bar and go for typing time or date and time right here. Date, there it is. So you want to tap on this date and time, and then from here you want to make sure that it is set automatically, and this way you would be able to make sure that you have set your date and time to the correct one. And so once you have made sure of this and the problem still persists, then we can proceed to the next step, which is disabling your VPN. In my case, I don't have any VPN, but if you do have one, then I suggest that you disable it first, then try again. And the next thing that we can do, if that didn't work, is that you can disable your Safari extensions. So in this way, we will be going back into our Safari app again in our settings. Go into Safari right here. And then from here, what you want to do is simply go down until you see the extensions right here. As you can see, here is the extension, so you want to tap on it. And then from here, you want to make sure that you don't have any extensions that might be interfering with your connections to the websites. So yeah, you can just turn it off. As you can see, in my case, I have mine turned off right here. So I suggest that you turn off all extensions that you have in Safari. And once you have done that and the problem is still persisting, then what I suggest is you go into your Safari and then you simply just use the private mode feature. So go to Safari, and then from here you want to go into private mode. So to do that, tap here at the bottom right, and you can also hold it so this would appear right here. So long press on it, and then you're going to tap here on private, and then now you are in private browsing, just as easy as that. So I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.